What was the meaning of that?
You were sitting out of anything in front of her.
What was the meaning of that?
You
are talking to another man?
To break up everything now, okay?
You are talking to another man?
You was playing with other woman?
No. I've just come.
I seen you and you was making
Me?
Yes,
Me?
you. Yes, you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I take a screenshot.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Honestly, it was crazy. I didn't get mine to take a screenshot, but I seen you. I did like this.
Boomer. Where is Boomer?
Boomer, come.
Yes, my prince.
But who you are asking? You are asking Harami Ali Baba?
You were putting on the other mask I got from Saudi Arabia, which looks like me.
Yeah, exactly.
And you were seated here making other women laugh?
Yes, I'm so sorry because you were busy.
Why did you do that?
My prince, you were busy.
Why did you put on my mask?
I am so sorry, but I
Yeah,
put
Lulu,
it back.
ibati the screen. Wait.
You go. Let's go
Wait.
and you show me. Put on that mask and come.
Wait.
Are you seeing what Boomer is putting on?
Wait.
Let's go. Let's go right now.
Wait. Come here.
Let's go. Hurry up.
يا لولو ابعتي لي السكرين دي على المسج عندي في التيك توك. يلا بسرعه ابعتيها في الانبوكس يلا وادخلي قولي لي.
What? You used my mask?
Yes, my prince.
انا بشعل لك بس عنده عندي سكرين شوت. Guys, who did this screenshot?
You used my mask, Boomer?
Yes, my prince.
Why did you use it? I'm sorry, my prince.
You see?
I'm so sorry.
My princess. You see? We have each other's mask. He's putting on my mask.
You think I'm stupid? I will do mistake in my prince face?
This is Boomer.
This is Boomer, my princess.
You want to kill him? Stop using my mask, okay?
I'm sorry.
And I want you to remove this mask of yours.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to see it in this palace again. Hurry up.
Wait, come. Wait, I will tell you something. Wait, come fast. Come. Harami.
Remove.
Yes, sir. Enough is enough.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Enough is enough.
I'm so sorry, my prince.
Okay?
Yes, I'm so
Tell
sorry.
him,
I'm warning you for the
tell
last
him.
time. Yes, I'm taking
Let
them.
this be the last time you're doing this.
Yes, sir. I'm going to throw them. Now.
Okay?
Yes, sir. I will
Please.
never do it again.
Don't.
I will never.
Don't you ever
I'm so sorry, my prince.
throw that mask away.
Okay, sir.
My love.
Don't say love. You don't know anything about love.
Oh. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
What are you doing?
You need to cheat my eyes.
Who cheated your eyes?
You were sitting with the legend. What?
Me?
Again?
It was Boomer.
It was you.
No, my love. I can never do that. I told you. I'm limited edition.
I will translate one word in Uganda language. Wait. Google, come. Wait. Mulimba.
Oh. Are you sure?
Yeah. Yee.
What did you say?
Mulim Mulimba.
What does it mean?
You're a cheater.
My love. My love.
Tuja Kunjagala. Tuja Kunjagala.
Sija kuagala. No. Why are you saying that?
No, it's this word.
I love you.
Never. It's never.
Okay. Are you putting on my necklace today?
Yes, it's in my neck all the time. Look.
You are cheating. I saw you with another man. You were hiding my necklace because that man was seeing it.
I was not hiding. I was angry, and with the movement, it's come inside.
No, I saw you. I was on your live. When the man came, you did like this.
You are a smart,
see?
intelligent mind, you know? You did mistake and you believe you are doing mistake and you need to throw the ball to me, you know?
I'll throw the ball to you because you are cheater. Yes. You are cheating on the old priest.
But I have Arabic mind. You will never become a cheater with me, okay? You have to be straightforward.
I'm going to be straightforward like my golden boss. I'm telling you. I love you. And I'll always love you. Come on, so complicated.
Tumani, Kugala.
Simanyi kwagala. Are you sure?
Yes.
Why would you say such a thing? Why must you do that?
Because
and say Simanyi.
Mumbanga, Mulimba.
Who, Buma?
You? See, you are hearing. You are watching? See, I will never forget your voice in laughing with her.
Do you know what I'm watching?
What you was watching? You was watching
I'm
yourself,
watching
Baba.
your golden bulimba. You see, you are quarreling with your husband, not me. You were making video. Who was recording this video? You see my mind?
You forgot I have a nanny, right?
No, nanny.
She was not there.
This is a man. I can see this is a man recording. You. This is golden cheating. You even change clothes? Oh, my baby. Singing for. You started when you're knocking. Ali baby, oh strappy, ole Ali baby. You are singing for another man. Ali baby, oh strappy, oh city, Ali baby. Ali Baba. Eh? You want? We are all cheating. Yeah, right? Yeah.
Now I will show you what is meaning of cheating. Okay?
ان شاء الله يا لولو يا لولو
What
انا
did you
ببقى
say?
1200 بالليل.
What did you say?
I'm talking to my people, which is they are already winner in the life. They was witness
So,
here and they seen already.
Do you know the solution to all this?
to kill yourself.
No.
What is the solution? Tell me.
What we have to do is we have to bring you to Uganda very soon.
If you are a cheater from here, how I will come to Uganda?
That's why I'm asking you to come and see the whole truth.
You are a cheater. I can't believe
No.
you anymore.
Who said I'm a cheater? Boomer?
My eyes catch you. My eyes.
Wait, oh, you're saying when I was live?
You break my heart.
I know.
You know you break my heart?
Yeah. What should I do, my love?
Kill half of yourself. I will be happy.
I kill half of myself.
I can't believe you anymore.
Huh?
I can't believe you anymore. Come take your golden sofa
No,
and golden
please.
pillow.
Take everything I gave to you. If you want to leave me, please don't bring back anything.
My people, I need to tell you something. You are coming to me all the time in my life and you're saying to me, you're a cheater, you're a cheater, you're a cheater. Did you see what happened today? I don't want anyone will tell me again you are a cheater. I got hurt.
So you've been cheating all the time, eh? Eh? You've been like this, yeah? Now I want a golden divorce.
No, please. No, I can't.
I want a golden divorce. Please, bring my papers, the other file, which I divorced from.
Forever will
I've
bring
divorced
paper,
more
you
than 70.
now.
Bring the golden divorce with my golden pen. I'm reading everything for you. Come, where are you, stupid? I'm divorcing someone and you're going divorce.
Someone? I became someone now? From
We
a while
don't
ago
want
you were telling me
cheaters.
my love?
Please.
We don't deal with cheaters.
Yes, I'm reading the divorce right now.
Yes.
You make him to talk to me?
The article
You are
of
already gone. I have to talk to the way I want.
the article of Uganda due, for instance, and never due or never overview. Listen carefully, please. You have to sign these papers and this amendment when you know everything.
Muli Bafiri.
Mutuli wafere. Ani omufere.
Yes. And Ero Okala Opitu Obuli Obutili Biunekalo don't know.
Nigga,
Ani omufere.
Bunikania.
Soko jeka mumano na kulabeko jango muguzeko. Come and say hi. First come. Let me show you my sister.
You have lady in her?
No, this is my young sister. By the way, she had to come from the US to see you, but you're saying that?
Show
Really?
me your ID first. Show me your ID.
ID for what?
Your family name?
She's a Salabwa.
Don't speak. What is before Salabwa?
Sebamba.
What you are talking? Why you are giving me
This is the woman I was telling you, but
We
she's...
can't wait to see you.
No, we are tired not seeing you. We are divorcing right now.
my
She's
sister?
cheating.
Hey, please, my sister.
All my
please.
sisters came from the US to come and see you and you're cheating?
Tell him, wait. Don't take objection now, please.
Amendment of Uganda due with the due all over.
Wait, I will talk to you by your language. Wait.
Yes, hurry up. Hurry up. Obufumbo bugwa yangu wa please.
Yeah, this word. I need to say this word. Oli Mukazi Mulangi Nanamba.
Mulangira mulamba. Yes. Please say hi to my woman, my wife.
Hello, how are you?
Can you give me Lily Bob? This
Awesome,
golden
how are
Lily Bob?
you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, golden. Everything here golden.
Everything is gold here.
Yeah.
It's golden
You,
Lily
you're
Bob.
going to take good care of my brother?
I will tell you later. We are lady together, you know.
Okay.
Does she have money?
He wants money.
Yes.
This guy likes money.
We need money, and I need money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You also,
Yeah, you also have to have
you
money.
also need money. Are you sure? Where are we going with this marriage?
So let's both deal now. Search
Okay.
for someone which
Bye-bye.
has money. Bye bye, my love. Bye bye. Let's do one deal.
Onkubiddeko. Kale, onkubiddeko.
Agamba ki?
Okay. Kale, tewali buzibu. Kyagaanyi, kale.
My love,
Tell me.
have you seen my woman?
Divorce, my prince.
I divorced?
Yes. Yeah, I'm tired.
Look at the behind this, people. It's my picture. See, it's me.
Yes, your pictures. Yes, this is your file.
This is your file.
Show me after the operation, the surgical which we did it. See how I'm looking?
You look beautiful. My love,
Tell me.
this is what I'm going to do. I'm coming to Dubai. I'm serious.
Serious?
I'm coming to I'm coming to Dubai on the 1st
First what?
of August.
Serious or joking?
My love.
Because you don't know anything about love. That's why I have doubt.
That's why I want to come and I show you
What you
the
do?
golden love.
I don't want you to see golden love.
What do you want?
Golden wire.
Don't you want to see golden moya?
My people here, they asking, he's serious? He's coming Dubai? He's coming Dubai? They need to make sure. You are coming Dubai, sure?
Are you coming to Uganda?
I will come, but I checked with my my plans, and it will not be. I will not be able on 6th of August because it's so near. You know, it's 1 week only.
1 week.
Yes.
So what should I do? Because I have a show. I have my own show. The best of Mickey Seems Too Funny at Comedy Store. It is going to be there in December. How about you come and we get married on that same day?
In December?
Yeah. But before I want you to come in November, I could picture you, you go back
Go back where?
to Dubai, then you come back for the show also.
Means I will come in December. We'll make the celebration, and I will come back here, and I will come. How I didn't get the
You're
plan.
coming 2 times.
Okay.
You're coming in August.
Mm-hmm.
I could picture you, you go back. Then you come back
Okay.
For my show.
In December or in August?
Yeah, my show is in December.
But why you said in 6th of August?
That is we are going to for some activities. It's like I'm touring Uganda. We're going somewhere, yeah? That's not my show. It's not a show.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Khalas, come in August to Dubai.
No, you're coming in August, Uganda.
If you come in Dubai August, I will come September.
No, come in August, we go back to Dubai together.
With golden airplane?
Whatever you want. I want you to see golden disco light, golden balls in my plane and everything.
I don't like disco.
Eh? You don't want?
I have only one hope in life, Mickey.
Mm-hmm.
You need to hear my hope.
Yeah, that's okay.
This guy will get killed, you know. Will get
You
killed.
want him, don't worry, we will not move with him.
Come here. Go.
So, my love,
Tell me.
what we're going to do?
I'm not going to do anything except to cry all the night, all the morning.
Why? Don't.
I can't.
You look into my eyes.
Your eyes cheater, your eyes telling me when you will close, I have a lot of girls, I would be live with them now. Go, finish.
My love, it's you. I saw you with a man with a beard. So you want men with beard, okay?
Muhammad.
Muhammad?
Yes, Muhammad.
Muhammad?
Yeah, Muhammad.
Okay.
Baba, this is game, just playing only. I'm not staying with them long. I'm sitting with you long
But
time.
I'm so eager. I'm very eager. I want to write in your
I'm
book.
sitting from the time which you are open till the time which I close. What else you need?
I want to write in your book, my love.
Leave my book, please.
Help me. I want to put some words in your diary.
Forget about it, please. Is enough your book.
Huh? Please, because I have a whole script of a movie I want to put in your book, your golden book.
No, thank you.
Don't worry, I will not scratch the book. Huh? I will not scratch the book. Help me.
I will never help you. You are become too much a cheater. You cheat my heart. No.
Who said?
No one said. I see it by my eyes. No one said.
Now, because I was talking to someone on live, you're saying I was cheating? Baby. Kwisobado, I'm looking for you. Kwisobado, bayo jewe kwese. Kwisobado.
Khalas, you are okay with me now?
I like your mouse. I like it so much. Can you really eat? Can you eat golden cucumber? Please bring one. You have a good mouse, like a computer. Your mouse. What's your computer and mouse? Children. Can you?
See, my friend, she's saying to me, Hala and Mickey Mouse.
Yes. Mickey Mouse. Yeah, we make a good couple.
You know, it's my favorite character in cartoon, Mickey Mouse.
Are you sure?
Believe me,
Wow.
honestly, I'm not joking. This is from my childhood.
And it's also my character with Mario.
Believe me,
Wow.
honestly.
When I'm writing in your book, I want it to be on TV.
Leave my book. Leave.
Please, give me give me one paper. I write.
You are writing by right hand or left hand?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
I was about to hurt you. I hurt myself. Allah is not supporting.
Oh, now how do you want me? Sorry. You did the plastic surgery?
What?
Why is your nose very soft?
My nose is very soft.
Yes.
My nose is burning.
Come. Kano kasobola okunyiza mu mmere ne kagirya. Kanyiza mu mmere ne kagirya. Nice. I like it. Bukaweze.
يا عبد الفتاح يا قلبي.
Can I tell you how different I am when I'm going to write in someone's book?
Forget about book. I don't have
I
book.
first put honey. I put honey like this.
Mickey, I don't have book, okay? I don't know what you mean by book. I don't have book, okay?
I put honey with strawberry on one page. I pour. Then I put strawberry, I eat. Then I come on the book, I remove the honey with my tongue.
I don't
My
like
God.
strawberry and I'm not familiar with honey.
You don't know honey?
I know honey.
Then why not? We use honey. You don't want?
Which honey you mean?
Bee. Don't you know bees? Bees, they bring honey. Okay, I'll use chocolate.
Bee.
Chocolate. I make sure I get chocolate. I hide it in your book. Then I look for it. I get it and eat.
I started to understand you are harami.
No, my love. No. No. Do you know Laban? Do you want Laban?
Laban?
Yeah, Laban.
Yes.
Yes, I want to use golden Laban.
Yogurt, you mean?
Yes.
How it's a book and you'll use yogurt?
I just pour on one page. I pour on one page.
يا لولو روز أنا مش فاهمة في حاجة غلط حاسة كده قلبي بيقول لي في حاجة غلط.
I drink it.
So fast.
Yes.
I don't like.
I know you like it.
مساء الخير هلا يسعدها طلع يا يوسف ميرسي يا يوسف. طلعي نفسك مش فاهمة يا لولو مش فاهمة. يومك وافي يومك وافي Guys, explain to me what he need, okay? What he's saying.
I need. Where do you put your when you write stuff? Kunde unajita deo musawe nchamu boy.
English, guys, English.
Nakoze ensobi. Ngenda gideletinga.
Lying, right? Yes, Nias, he's lying.
Ate simu yange eri siro olumweteekayo video nga ebiyinza omala essaawa namba ssebo simanyi lwaki oba wifi yabakyeno.
He need...
Baby.
Yes. The people, they are saying he needs something wrong.
Who's saying that?
Some people.
Are they from Uganda?
Mm.
It's because they want to take you away from me. That's how people act when they want to take our gold.
Comment is running, so I can't catch, but I catch one comment, I read it and left. We love you in Uganda. Thank you so much. Okay, I will not focus with the comment, guys. So, love. Yeah, Buma, see, I catch him. Love. What does it mean? Buma, what you mean? Hawa harami? Someone is saying it's harami.
What is the meaning of Arami?
Alibaba. He wants
Alibaba.
No harami. Someone said no harami and bopok. Habibi. Romance.
Do you know desert?
They are saying you need romance.
Who needs romance?
And one, he said he want mana. What?
What did he say? He wants what?
No, what he said. It's very wrong word.
Please don't say that again, okay? Don't. Don't. Don't say that again. It's a very bad word. Very bad.
Yeah. Guys, if you write this more, I will close the comments. Don't speak that words again, please. Stop writing this, else I will close the comments, okay? Rami, I was feeling you need something wrong.
Are you sure? What did you want to give me?
Baba Jikatolo!
Huh?
Baba Jikatolo.
What does that mean?
Nothing.
You're abusing me?
Nothing.
Papa Jikatalo? Papa Jikatalo?
Yes. You are busy. You are not busy today. What happened?
You are beating me? What? What did you say?
You are not busy today. What happened?
I have golden malaria.
Golden what?
Fever.
You have
I'm
fever.
sick.
See, Allah doesn't want to cheat me. See what happened to you? See? Because you are cheating me. From yesterday, I don't know anything about you.
Yesterday I was sick.
See Allah, what he's doing to me? To you? See Allah, what He's doing to you, see?
Because I'm not saying hi to you.
You don't care about me at all.
I do, my love, I do.
Never.
I try.
Promise.
Hmm?
Promise me you will try.
I was writing some stuff.
Which stuff?
In someone's diary.
Can I make you to hear something good?
Yes.
Thank you, Yalan. Thank you so much. Wait, I will make you to hear something good. I search about it and I find it.
Okay. What's that?
I will show you. This one.